Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and today we will be looking at how to start a work order resolution inside the Infraspeak Mobile App. So I'm going to ask you to head on over to your mobile app and log into your account. Once you do, that should take you over to this main menu that we're looking at here. We're going to head on over to the work order tab and select that one. And that's going to give us our work order log. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to select a work order that I want to start, and I'm going to click on it. So there we go. So once I've opened my work order, I have the option to press the little play button to start my work order. Just a quick little heads up, if you don't press the play button to start your work order, you won't be able to start registering your tasks, okay? So bear in mind that you do need to hit this play button like I'm going to do now, so you can start registering your tasks. Once you've done that, your status will change into resolution, and you are ready and set to crack on doing all of your tasks. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy that.